In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a conversion rate to your Looker Studio reports. Whether you're analyzing e-commerce performance or monitoring form submissions, understanding conversion rates is crucial for evaluating the effectiveness of your digital efforts. Let's walk through adding this vital metric to your reports in Looker Studio in a few easy steps. To start, fire up your preferred web browser and search for Looker Studio. Once you've got the Looker Studio homepage open, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. If you're new to Looker Studio, you might need to set up an account, but for seasoned users, just proceed to sign in. Once you're in, locate the report where you intend to add the conversion rate. Click on the Edit option for your chosen data source, or alternatively, head over to the Resource menu at the top of your Looker Studio interface and select Manage Added Data Sources. This action will direct you to the data source configuration of your report. Looking to your right, you'll see the Data panel. Here, your task is to scroll and find the Dimensions section. It's an essential step as it outlines all the available dimensions for your reporting metrics. Next, you'll want to add a new field for your conversion metric. In the Data Source Editor, look for the button labeled Add a Field. Click on it, and a new window will pop up, allowing you to input a custom formula. This is where the magic happens. Enter the formula, event count divided by sessions. This formula is designed to calculate the conversion rate by dividing the number of particular events you're tracking, like sales or form submissions, by the total sessions. Be sure to set the data type for this new calculated metric to percentage. This adjustment is critical. It ensures your report formats the number correctly as a percentage, providing a more digestible view of your conversion rate. With your formula in place, it's important to give this metric a descriptive name. Choose something clear and understandable, like form submission rate or e-commerce conversion rate, depending on the data you're analyzing. Naming it explicitly will help when you revisit your report later or share it with colleagues. Once you've named and formatted your new field, remember to save it. This action will secure your work and allow you to return to your report seamlessly. Now, locate your freshly created conversion metric in the field list and drag and drop it onto a scorecard, table, or another type of visual representation in your report. And there you have it. You've successfully added a conversion rate to your Looker Studio report. By visualizing this metric, you'll gain valuable insights into how well you're achieving your targets and where improvements can be made. Thanks for joining me today, and happy reporting!